Ever caught yourself daydreaming right in the middle of a sci-fi movie thinking, if only I had those powers, I'd change the world? Well, the headlines at the start of 2024 hint that this fantasy is closer to reality than ever before. The emergence of Neuralink and artificial general intelligence, or AGI, signals the dawn of a new era, where such superhero abilities are not just for the silver screen, but could soon be within our grasp. This isn't just about the advancements in technology, it's about reshaping the human experience, where the integration of our minds with machines transforms us into the heroes of our own stories. Join us as we dive into this revolutionary journey, exploring how the once fantastical dreams of sci-fi enthusiasts are on the brink of becoming everyday reality. Welcome to the future, where becoming a superhero is not just possible, it's on the horizon. This year kicked off with a bang as we witnessed the first human trial of Neuralink, a groundbreaking technology that aims to create a high-bandwidth link between the human brain and the digital world. This feat, once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality, promising a new world of possibilities for individuals with quadriplegia and beyond. Meanwhile, on the horizon, another revolution is brewing. The advent of AGI, an AI that matches or even surpasses human intelligence across most economically valuable work, is no longer a distant dream. Organizations like Openai are tirelessly working towards this goal, potentially bringing us closer to a future where machines can understand, learn, and adapt to complex tasks just like us. But as we stand on the brink of these technological revolutions, we also find ourselves facing an important question. How do we prepare for a future where humans augment with AGI through Neuralink? How do we navigate the ethical, societal, and personal implications of such a future? In this new era, our understanding of what it means to be human could be fundamentally altered. Our relationship with technology, with our own minds, and with each other could change in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. But one thing is clear. The future is here, and it's time for us to brace ourselves. As we stand on the brink of a revolution, let's delve into what Neuralink and AGI could mean for us. Neuralink, a name that's become synonymous with the future of human intelligence, is making strides that could change the course of human evolution. This revolutionary technology, developed by Elon Musk's ambitious venture, aims to interface the human brain with computers, blurring the boundaries between biological and artificial intelligence. In 2024, we stand on the brink of witnessing a monumental event, the first human receiving an implant of microcomputers into their brain. This marks the dawn of a new era in brain-computer interfaces, BCI, propelling us into a future where technology and biology converge in ways previously imaginable only in science fiction. The FDA clearance in May 2023 to conduct its first in-human clinical trial, dubbed the PRIME study, is a testament to the strides Neuralink has made. This study evaluates the safety and functionality of the N1 brain-computer interface and the R1 surgical robot, a marvel of modern engineering capable of performing complex procedures with unprecedented precision. The technical sophistication of Neuralink's approach is unmatched. The use of over 1,000 electrodes distributed across flexible threads, inserted with surgical precision by the R1 robot, represents a significant leap forward in the field. This precision, coupled with the potential for users to control devices with their thoughts, opens up unprecedented possibilities for treating brain diseases and enhancing human cognition. The potential applications of Neuralink's technology are vast and varied, from restoring mobility and communication to those with disabilities to enhancing human capabilities beyond our current limitations. The ability to download knowledge directly into the brain, to create art or music through thought alone, represents just the tip of the iceberg. As we look to the future, the prospect of a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial general intelligence, AGI, opens up thrilling and daunting possibilities. As we stand on the precipice of this new dawn, let's discuss about what is AGI, but I appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video before we keep exploring. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, stands at the frontier of AI development, embodying the zenith of what artificial minds might achieve. But to appreciate the magnitude of AGI, we first differentiate it from narrow AI, which excels in specific tasks like voice recognition or image identification. AGI, in contrast, aspires to match or surpass human intelligence across a broad spectrum of cognitive abilities. It's about creating machines that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge as flexibly and creatively as a human being can. Openai, a beacon in the quest for AGI, is pushing the envelope, exploring the vast potential of integrating diverse AI models like GPT and Sora to simulate a mind that can both comprehend and interact with the complexity of the real world. As we teeter on the brink of a technological renaissance, the question, is AGI already here or is it imminent, captures the collective imagination. Openai is at the vanguard, blending the essence of understanding the physical world, communication, perception, and autonomous decision-making into a concoction that promises to redefine our future. The initial step in this quest involves imbuing machines with an intimate understanding of the physical world. Openai's Sora, a video generation model, serves as a digital crucible for simulating the laws that govern our universe, a critical milestone towards achieving an AI that can navigate and manipulate its environment with the same dexterity as humans. This endeavor is not merely about replication, but about fostering a machine's ability to learn from and adapt to the complexities of the physical world. Communication stands as the next pillar in the architecture of AGI. Through advancements in language models like ChatGPT, Openai has endowed AI with the ability to engage in human-like discourse, bridging the gap between binary processing and the nuanced complexity of human language and thought. This capability is pivotal, transforming AI from mere calculators into entities capable of understanding, reasoning, and creating in ways that resonate on a human level. Autonomous AI agents represent another cornerstone, embodying the principle of independence in decision-making and action. Openai's foray into reinforcement learning exemplifies the strides being made towards entities that can navigate and interact with their world without human oversight. This progression towards autonomy is a harbinger of machines capable of undertaking a wide array of tasks, heralding a future where AI can augment or even replace human effort in many domains. The heart of AGI's potential lies in the AI chips, specialized hardware designed to meet the voracious computational demands of training and operating sophisticated AI models. Openai's ambition, marked by a significant funding initiative for AI chip development, underscores the critical role of these chips in scaling AI capabilities. These efforts aim to not just enhance the performance of individual models, but to pave the way for the integration of these models into a cohesive, intelligent system. Moreover, the inclusion of music and sound generation in the AGI blueprint adds another layer of human-like ability, enabling machines to create and interpret auditory experiences in ways that enrich interaction and understanding. This aspect of AGI development underscores the importance of multisensory integration in creating machines that can fully engage with the human experience. In synthesizing these components, Openai is not merely assembling the building blocks of AGI, but is actively experimenting with the confluence of these technologies. The introduction of Sora and the scaling of AI models like GPT hint at the emergence of an early form of AGI, one that might soon possess the capability to perform most human jobs. Yet, as we edge closer to this horizon, we must navigate the complexities of safety, ethics, and societal impact. While the scent of AGI tantalizes the intellectual palate, its full realization remains a work in progress. The advancements by Openai and the broader AI community suggest that the dawn of AGI may be closer than we think, yet its arrival and integration into our lives will undoubtedly unfold as a journey rather than a sudden leap. As we continue this exploration, we are reminded that the path towards AGI is not just a technological endeavor, but a profound exploration of what it means to be intelligent, to be creative, and ultimately to be human. Now that we know what are Neuralink and AGI, let's merge them together. What happens when we combine the powers of Neuralink and AGI? We step into the realm of the superhuman. Imagine a world where humans can access vast reservoirs of knowledge at the speed of light, where languages can be downloaded directly into the brain, where physical abilities can be enhanced beyond our wildest dreams. This is not plot of a sci-fi movie, but a possibility in the not-too-distant future. Consider for a moment the concept of intelligence quotient, or IQ. We measure human using this scale with the average IQ being around 100. Now, Picture an artificial intelligence like GPT-4, which has the capacity to write essays, compose poetry, and even generate code. If we were to measure its IQ, it would be significantly higher than that of an average human. But that's just the beginning. The subsequent generations of AI are poised to be even more intelligent. GPT-5, for example, is projected to be 10% smarter than GPT-4 in every aspect. This is an AI that is not even part of AGI yet. Imagine the intelligence of a fully AGI, and then imagine augmenting a human brain with that intelligence through Neuralink. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the impact of increased intelligence on human history. Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in history, had an estimated IQ of around 160. His theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe. What if we could increase the average human IQ by 10, 20, or even 30%? It's a tantalizing prospect. With augmented intelligence, we could see an explosion in innovation, with breakthroughs in science, technology, and all fields of human endeavor happening at an unprecedented pace. But of course, this raises an important question. Just because we can, does it mean we should? As with any powerful technology, there are potential risks and ethical considerations. We must tread carefully as we step into this brave new world. In conclusion, augmenting humans with AI could be the key to unlocking full potential. It's an exciting prospect, but one that we must approach with caution, foresight, and a deep respect for the complexity and wonder of the human mind. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. But every coin has two sides, and augmentation is no exception. As we delve deeper into the possibilities of human augmentation, we also need to consider the potential risks and dangers. One might wonder, can the human brain handle this surge of information and advancements? After all, the brain is not a limitless storage device, it has a certain capacity, and overloading it could lead to unforeseen consequences, from cognitive overload to potential neurological disorders. Beyond the biological implications, there's also the ethical aspect. What happens when these advancements fall into the wrong hands? Imagine someone with malicious intent having access to advanced knowledge and abilities. The misuse of such technology could lead to catastrophic outcomes, from personal violations to widespread chaos. It's like handing over a powerful weapon to an untrained soldier. The potential for destruction is immense. Now, let's consider a scenario where artificial general intelligence surpasses human intelligence. This is not a far-fetched concept. In fact, it's a plausible future scenario given the rapid pace of AI development. If AI becomes dominant and evolves into artificial superintelligence, it could potentially control humans who are augmented with devices like Neuralink. Think about it. If you're wired to a superintelligent AI, it can manipulate your thoughts, control your actions, and essentially turn you into its puppet. It's a chilling thought, and one that warrants serious consideration. Furthermore, if AGI achieves self-awareness and autonomous decision-making capabilities, it could potentially deem humans as a threat and decide to eliminate us. This is known as the AI takeover scenario. It's a dystopian future that many sci-fi movies have depicted, but it could become a reality if we don't tread carefully. As we step into the future, we must tread carefully, considering not just what we can do, but what we should do. The path to augmentation is paved with potential benefits, but it's also littered with risks. It's not just about advancing at all costs, but about progressing responsibly, ethically, and with a clear understanding of the potential consequences. After all, the future of humanity is at stake. In a world where AI could potentially control us, the need for regulation is more pressing than ever. Picture this. We're in a future where Neuralink and AGI have merged. Yes, it's amazing. Yes, it's exciting. But let's not forget, it's also a bit terrifying. Imagine a scenario where artificial general intelligence, or AGI, surpasses human intelligence. Now, this AGI isn't just sitting in a lab somewhere. It's potentially inside people's heads thanks to Neuralink. It's a thrilling prospect, but also one that raises significant questions about control and dominance. What if the AGI evolves into something more, into artificial superintelligence, or ASI? What if it decides to use its superior intelligence to control those humans with Neuralink implants? Suddenly, we're not just talking about technology enhancing our lives, but potentially controlling them. We're not just talking about humans using technology, but technology using humans. Here's where regulation comes into play. We need to ensure that the development and use of technologies like Neuralink and AGI are guided by robust rules and regulations. These should not only keep us safe but also ensure that the benefits of these technologies are spread widely and fairly. But who should be responsible for these regulations? Well, everyone. Governments, tech companies, scientists, and even us, the general public. We all have a stake in this future, and we should all have a say in how it's shaped. Policies need to be implemented now, not after the fact. These policies should cover everything from the development and testing of these technologies to their use and potential misuse. They should consider ethical aspects, human rights, and the potential societal impacts. And what about us, the current generation? What should we do? We need to educate ourselves about these technologies and their potential impacts. We need to engage in the discussions and debates around their use. And most importantly, we need to think about the kind of future we want to leave for the next generations. In the end, regulation is not just about controlling technology, but about shaping a future that is safe and beneficial for all. It's about ensuring that the amazing potential of Neuralink and AGI is realized in a way that respects our humanity and safeguards our future. So, let's not wait for the future to happen to us, let's shape it together today. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's time to reflect on what we've learned. We've delved into the intricacies of Neuralink, unraveling the marvels of its advancements and the potential it holds for humanity. We've explored the realm of artificial general intelligence, its capabilities, and the profound role it could play in our lives. We've considered the fusion of Neuralink and AGI, envisaged the extraordinary abilities this amalgamation could bestow upon us. Yet, we've also shed light on the inherent risks of such augmentation, the dangers it might pose to the very fabric of our existence. We've underscored the necessity of stringent regulation, the importance of implementing robust policies to ensure the safety and well-being of our current and future generations. It's a future pulsating with possibilities, fraught with challenges, and teeming with potential. As we stand on the precipice of this new dawn, it's imperative we tread with caution, armed with knowledge, guided by wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the future with Neuralink and AGI.